Hey Chiefs, I'm here to walk you through how to make an introduction video for our virtual open house that we're going to be doing. I just wanted to take time and just kind of walk you through how easy it is to make an intro video so that your students can see your face and you can get to introduce yourself to the parents and the students. So if you open your camera, which is an app on your laptop, you can just open it up. There are two things. You can either take a picture, which is this button here, or you can take a video. And it's very simple. So you just click it and you're just going to give maybe a 30-second introduction. So you would, do something along these lines. Hey everyone, my name is Miss Rice. I'm the instructional coach here at North Myrtle Beach High School. I am very excited to get started for the 2020-2021 school year, and I'm really excited to see everyone's faces. If you need more information, it is going to be listed below, and I'm really excited to see everyone on Thursday. So once you're done with that, you're going to go to your picture file and then to the camera roll, and your video should be saved right there. You can save it somewhere else that's easily accessible. But what we're going to do is we're going to upload this video to our YouTube account. And YouTube is part of Google Suite, so you actually have a Google account. So if you go onto your home screen, go ahead and pull up your browser, type in youtube.com. It should bring you to your home page. You're going to want to make sure up here that you are signed into your Horry County Schools Gmail. Make sure it's not a personal account, or just make sure you're signed in to begin with, because we do have access to everything YouTube has because of Google Suite. So it's a great tool to use, especially while we're doing hybrid or distance learning, just to be able to screencast and make your videos available. So in order to upload a video, you would go to this create button, which looks like a camera. You're going to go ahead and click that and upload video. So this is where it's really handy to know where you've saved the video. So it's really easy for you to go ahead and don't click learn more. So you can go ahead and upload them. So right here, you're going to drag and drop or select files, whichever you prefer. And so mine is in my camera roll. And just open it up. If your video is a long video, it'll take you a little bit of time for it to upload. And then title here, you really don't have to worry about this unless you're making a playlist or doing several videos along the same line. So I'm going to put sample intro video. So under here, you can get into a bit more detail. This is where you can add to a playlist if you have, or create playlists. And then once you get to the audio here, this is where it filters into videos being made for the YouTube Kids, where they would screen that video to see if it's appropriate or not. So considering that this is not meant to go on YouTube Kids, we're just go ahead and click no on that. And then you can go ahead and hit the next button. The next button is really where, if you want to have ads on it, if you want to put cards on it, this is not anything I would use for a lesson or for this purpose. So I would just click next. Now for here, we need to figure out what kind of visibility you want. So if you want everybody to be able to see your video, you would go ahead and click public. I would not set it as a premiere. For this purpose, if you're posting it on Google Classroom, or if you're giving someone the link to it, which is what we're going to do for this virtual open house, you can put unlisted. So anybody with the video link can watch it, but it's not going to be something that'll pop up in a Google search. You can schedule it. These are all things that are available to you if you want to do that. And so you'd hit save. Again, the longer the video, the longer it's going to take to go ahead and publish. Now, here is the video link that we're going to ask that you have, so we can put it in that virtual virtual open house. However, if you close out of this and you did not save this, you can go ahead and click that button and it'll automatically save. If you forget to do it, one of the great things about YouTube is, and you can see I've made a couple YouTube videos. This one right here, you can go to your video and click on these 3 buttons here, get shareable link, and it automatically copies it. Once you get that link, you can go ahead and email it to me. And that way we'll go ahead and plop it into the virtual open house. And more information on that is coming. But if you run into any problems at all, email, text, phone call, come find me. I am, here to help you guys in any way possible. So thank you guys.